This is Sanjeet here. In our last tutorial, we were actually currently working on our rotation. I'm sorry I had to end that one in a awkward situation. I kind of felt that it was too much for us to all handle in one session. So now I'm making the second part 2 tutorial to finish that up. So let's continue where we left off. So that's right. I didn't remember what I was doing that time. All right. So now what we're gonna use is it. So we already got if clamp vertical rotation. So now we just gotta set we. So if our vertical rotation is clamped, we just gotta add this. Our camera target rod. So camera target rod. Right. Camera target rod equals clamp. That equals clamp rotation around axis. So by around axis, it's basically by around axis, it's both our x and y axis, or horizontal and vertical axis. Oh, so it doesn't our clamp rotation around. We actually so this is actually a method we're gonna use to call on this for a camera rotation. So we didn't initialize that. For that, we're gonna be setting up a little math. I know I'll do programming a little bit of math into games. It's fun though. So we also want to update our character and camera based calculation. So we want to say character dot local rotation equals quaternion dot slurp. So for this, because we're rotating, we're not translating. Translation is more with vectors when it comes to translating, just walking forward to one image to one distance to another. In this, we're not translating any certain position. We're just rotating. So when we're doing rotation, we're usually going to use slurps for that. So slurps. So we're gonna tell both our so we're gonna as well as like we're gonna tell our character locations or our character movement, our character local rotations, or we're gonna tell our character local rotation and our target location of our character. So that's actually when we're going to be applying and simulating velocity and a little bit of speed and force when it comes to firing our projectile. We will get to bullets eventually. So let me just get that code. So smooth time dot times dot delta time. Alright, so what this is going to do is our character and camera based calculation. So when our local rotation of our camera rotates along with our target, smooth time dot delta time, so it's going to render the amount of time along a rotation per frame per second. So this is what we wanted to do. else. So character. Ooh, that wasn't what I was trying to do. I'm trying to say dot local rotation. So now we want to do the same with our camera. Equals. So oops, I didn't mean to do my camera. Alright, so now what we're telling basically to do is to update the character and camera based calculation. Otherwise, so as well as we rotate, we also want to move our player object. Else, we're just gonna rotate our character with our camera. So now we're gonna use camera. Look for camera transform real quick. Rotation equals camera. Okay. There's a little red error message with our L, so we just gotta see why that's happening. Oh, I think I might know what the problem is. Okay, I didn't add my bracket there. Alright, so. Alright, just gonna put my charger in real quick. I don't want my Mac to die. So now what I want to do is, let me see if okay, so now that everything's set up where it should be, we just gotta do some math. So we're gonna use something. Clamp rotation around. We didn't use clamp. Oh, we're not using clamp rotation around. We're using clamp for rotation around axis. Around axis. So we're gonna say part2. Like q dot x divided by equals q dot. Okay. So now we also want to do a we also want to other math. We want to compute a little bit angles and like uh some trigonometry stuff when it comes to rotation distances. We just want to do simple math, so we're gonna call float. We're gonna say float angle x equals 2.0 f times math f dot rad. So we wanted to have rad to degrees times math f dot a10. Oh, put the wrong one. So I'm gonna do. Sorry if I'm not saying anything. This is a simple math I'm trying to compute. Angle. Okay, so let's compile our code. Hmm. There are a couple simple errors. I see. Okay. Let's just reinitialize it. So let's just say it the same way. Cursor. Why is that giving me an error? Let's see. I kind of took notes down about some of this type of code errors. Let me make it cap. All right. While you guys have this code written down, I will actually post the fix for this code. Thank you for watching. Sorry about some of this errors. It usually happens when it comes to making games sometimes. We actually use the term making games as much as it's fun. We use the term making games as hard fun. So don't worry, I'll definitely post the fixed code for this part. Thank you for watching and please subscribe. I'll try to help you out best way I can. Thank you.